Today, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make a super fun stop motion video with your phone like this. So you can quickly boost your engagement on social media and increase your email click-through rates by 6 times, just like me. I'm Patricia Kelikani, an Emmy Award winner showing you how to make amazing videos so your business can make more money. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell. The first step is to figure out what products you want to showcase. And what do you want to reveal? Will it be an unboxing or a fun video that shows some love like this? So get your creative juices flowing. This is a fun one. And by the way, another reason why I love this type of video is because I'm not in it. Well, I am in this one because I'm showing you how to do it, but with the, okay. You know what I'm talking about. Which means it doesn't matter what I look like, and you can totally rock that comfy t-shirt and jeans. That's like my go-to outfit. Okay, next you'll want to think about the surface that your product will be on. Are you gonna go for a clean, colorful look, a manly look, or a spa type feel? I'm gonna go for a spa look, and I want a marble surface, which I don't have. So I'm gonna go ahead and make one. All right, guys, so I have my stuff. I have my foam board. This is what I'm gonna put the decorative marble paper on. And I got this at Hobby Lobby for just $2.99. So it's a pretty good price. And this is a piece of foam board that I already had. So I like to use this as a fill light as it bounces the light off of the key light. And so I'm just gonna put the marble paper on one side, and that way this foam board will have 2 purposes, which is pretty fun. All right, so let's get to it. Let's measure this. Okay, I'm super nervous right now because I'm kind of a perfectionist and I'm not a crafty person. So, all right, we can do this. We can do this. Okay, and of course, if you already have like a background or even cool flooring, I mean, really, I like this flooring, but I don't think it really matches that kind of spa look that we're going for. So I wanted to give you guys an example that if you don't have like a tabletop or flooring that you like, that works well with the style you're going for, that you can easily just buy something like this on Amazon and then foam board, and like the total cost was 15 bucks. You can get the links to all of the budget-friendly products and gear by downloading my stop motion guide at the link below. Okay, so I have it measured out for the most part, and I actually did buy this little accessory to kind of flatten this out. You know how on Amazon it gives you an option, like you can also buy this. So I bought it, but I can't find it. I'm gonna use this gift card that I have. It's like a credit card. And hopefully it works. Yay, it was actually easier than I thought. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. So I added the marble self-adhesive film on top of the foam board. I mean, obviously if you have like marble countertops, like a kitchen marble countertops or something, you could just use that, but I don't. So now that I have this done, I'm gonna go outside and pick a palm leaf from my patio, and I'm gonna place that palm leaf on like one of the corners, and that'll just add some texture and some character and personality to the shot. So the products that I have upstairs are by Smell Sweet Company. It's an organic deodorant with an exfoliation scrub and a detoxifying mask and lip balm. It's awesome. I love the product. It's amazing. But the scent is Sun Goddess, so I thought the palm leaf would kind of add to that like tropical type theme and just add some personality to it. All right, let's do it. The next thing you want to do is create even lighting. For these stop motion videos, you don't want shadows or any changes in light. So you'll want some nice soft lighting. This $60 light kit with 2 lights and 2 stands works out great. You can get links to the budget-friendly gear as well as my stop motion checklist at the link below, so that you don't have to watch this video over and over again as you make your video. Although that would be good for the YouTube algorithm. But that's okay. I'll just give you the checklist and guide at the link below. Okay, so when I angled the lights down, I found that the glossy sticker on the deodorant had a huge reflection. Not good. So one easy fix is to take off the diffusion material and face the lights up towards the white ceiling. That way, the lights will bounce off the white on your ceiling and create an even softer lighting so it doesn't make a reflection. Put the lights on both sides so you don't get any shadows and you're good to go. The next thing you'll need is stabilization. So something to hold your camera still and in the same exact spot. I actually used this gooseneck phone holder and attached it to this little chair from my kids' playroom. It worked out great. And the gooseneck only cost $13. You can get the links to all of the budget-friendly products and gear by downloading my stop motion guide at the link below. You do want to make sure the camera doesn't move so that you get a smooth stop motion video. So I actually use my iWatch to take the photos, and that way I don't need to touch the camera. But if you have to touch your phone to take pictures, be super gentle so you don't move your phone. You can also use the timer mode so that it takes the picture a few seconds after you actually tap the button. And in the gear guide that you can download below, there's another budget-friendly option that's a little more stable if you have to touch your phone to take the picture. Okay, after you have your lights and gear set up, lay out your products and plan out the motion. In my case, I'm going to have the box open up and have the Smell Sweet products come out onto the marble surface. Then end with the pink packaging popping out like partay. In some cases, you may want to start with the last shot and then work your way backwards if it's easier to do it that way. Like for this one, I actually started with the heart in place and then just brushed the confetti away from the deodorant. But for this unboxing, it'll be pretty easy to just do it in order. Next, you want to set and lock the exposure. So just tap on the product with your finger. For a couple seconds, it'll auto expose it. In other words, it'll automatically set how bright or how dark the picture is. And if you want to make it brighter, like what I'm doing here, you just simply drag your finger up and it'll make it a little bit brighter. Alrighty, now it's time to take the pictures. So set up the first shot. Mine is a closed box. Then snap the picture. Then I'm going to open the box, take the picture, have the first item come out and place it on the marble. Take the picture and so on. An important step is to make sure that once you have your products in place, don't move them unless it's part of your stop motion video. For example, once I place the deodorant down, I'm not touching it at all because it's gonna stay in that exact spot the whole time. The box, on the other hand, is slowly making its way outside of the video. So that one I'm moving. And then the easiest place to turn this into a GIF where it plays like a video but it repeats itself is to bring the photos into Canva. You can get the Pro version free for 30 days. And with the Pro version, you can create GIFs. It's pretty awesome. Okay, so all you have to do is go to canva.com. They do have an app for your phone, but unfortunately it doesn't include downloading it as a GIF on your phone app. I don't know why. Maybe by the time you watch this, they will have added it. But for now, just email yourself the pictures or airdrop them, whatever it is, and then go to canva.com and you can type in here what type of format you want. So I'm just gonna click Instagram post, and then I found that the easiest way to do this is to just click on a template. You wanna make sure and choose a template as well that doesn't have an automatic filter on the picture, otherwise that'll carry over. We're just gonna use pictures obviously for this example. Of course you can always add some text, especially like a sale is great, but for this example we're just gonna use the pictures. So then you go to uploads and you can simply drag your pictures over here. So I already dragged them, and then what makes this easy is you just drag the photo here and it automatically will size it, which is great, because if you don't do that, you'll have to like do it yourself and drag all of this around, and it's just kind of a pain. So that way it makes it easier. And then just click here, which is copy page, and then it'll automatically go to page 2. So then you want to put your next picture in, just like, oops, just like this. Then copy the page 3, go to your third picture, and so on. And then once you have all of your pictures in place, so I believe I took a total of 8 pictures, then you want to click up here on download, click download again, click animation, and then make sure simple is selected. This way it doesn't give you these weird fades and stuff, which I mean are great for certain things but not for stop motion. So click simple, and then you can choose your speed, slow, medium, or fast. So if you want to upload this to Instagram, click fast, because it doesn't give you a whole lot of time for a GIF. And then you simply click download and it'll go onto your computer. And this is what it looks like. So much fun, right? From there, you can put it on Instagram, Facebook, and send it to your email list. Since you can't upload a GIF from the Instagram app, you can use the free app called Giphy. The GIF does need to be pretty short, so I use the faster version from Canva. Or you can just turn the stop motion video into a video from right on your phone. The easiest app I found to use is Videorama. When I use GIFs in my emails to my email list, my click-through rate has increased by 6 times. I've even heard of others increasing their click-through rate with GIFs by 19 times. Now for email, you do want the file size to be smaller so that the email doesn't end up in the spam folder. So what I use is easygif.com. You can easily downsize your GIF so that it's a smaller file size. There you go. It's that easy to make a super cool stop motion video with your phone. Make sure to get my budget-friendly gear and checklist. You can grab it at the link below. And I also have a free training video that walks you through how to film yourself professionally on a phone. Even if you use a fancy camera like a DSLR, this would also be helpful because I go through step-by-step how to light yourself 3 different ways, how to create a film set in any location, and the list goes on. The link to the free training video is below, and I can't wait to see you there. If this video was helpful, I would love it if you clicked that thumbs up and subscribed to my channel. And as always, I would love to hear from you. Comment below and tell me what you're gonna feature in your stop motion video. Your business makes a positive impact in this world, so smile with confidence and push record to make an even bigger impact with video.